A man never values what he doesn't fear losing. If you've ever felt disrespected, ignored, or played, it's because you stayed when you should have walked away. The secret to commanding respect in relationships is detachment. Let's break down why walking away makes men respect you, and why clinging to the wrong people destroys your power. Let's be clear. Neediness is repulsive. When a man senses you're afraid of losing him, he subconsciously sees you as less valuable. It's human nature. We only chase what feels rare. Psychologists call this the scarcity principle. The harder something is to get, the more we desire it. But when you make yourself too available, always texting first, always over-explaining, you simply become common to him. A high-value woman never operates from a place of fear. She knows that if a man pulls away, she has two choices: lower her standards and beg, or walk away and let him realize her worth. And trust me, men always feel it when a woman truly removes her energy. Men respect women who walk away because it triggers something primal. Loss. The moment you leave, he will be forced to face the possibility of never having you again. Suddenly, he will start questioning everything. Did I take her for granted? Is she really gone? Is she moving on? Did I make a huge mistake? Most women don't realize this, but men don't regret losing a woman when she's begging to stay. They regret it when she goes silent, when she becomes a mystery again, when she shifts her focus from him to herself. This is why detachment is your greatest power. It's not about manipulation. It's about self-respect. If a man isn't showing up for you, why are you showing up for him? So how do you walk away in a way that makes him respect you? No emotional outbursts. Don't beg. Don't argue. Don't explain. Men don't respond to words. They respond to no contact. It's time to shift your energy completely. You stop checking his socials. You stop reacting. You stop making him the center of your world. Focus on yourself. Glowing up isn't just about looks. It's about mind, body, and soul. The moment you redirect your energy to yourself, you stop craving validation from him. Men are drawn to women who prioritize themselves. The moment you embody self-respect, you naturally attract higher quality energy, whether that's from him stepping up or from someone better entering your life. A high-value woman never fears losing a man because she knows she'll never lose the right one. When you walk away from a situation that doesn't serve you, you're not losing. You're leveling up. And the ones who are meant to be in your life, they'll respect you even more for knowing your worth. So, the next time a man tests your patience, remember this. Men don't respond to words, they respond to no contact. And being able to walk away without a reaction, that's your ultimate flex. Stay unforgettable, my beautiful goddesses.